Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes, your all-in-one Shopify GDPR compliance solution. First of all, thanks for installing our app. I have created this playlist for you, in which we go step by step in setting your store for GDPR compliance. Note that this tutorial is focused for GDPR compliance, and if you're not selling in Europe or the UK, it might not apply to you. We plan on making more tutorials like this for CCPA and other privacy regulations. Let's see an outline of all the settings that we are going to make in this tutorial series. First of all, we're going to set up Shopify's customer privacy settings. After that, we're going to set up the banner in Pandectes to be compliant. We're going to make sure you are GDPR compliant by blocking all non-necessary cookies prior to consent that are being set by third-party apps with the Autoblocker. Next, we are going to add a data subject requests page and a cookie declaration page, as well as show you how to add a privacy policy page if you do not have one already. After that, we are going to set up Google Consent Mode V2 and make you compliant with that too. And saving the best for last, I'm going to reveal a couple secrets on how to get a really high acceptance rate on your banner, way up in the 90%. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started.